We are visiting Lands of Tens. Lands of Tens is a special place wherein we have special calculators like this. They have a very specific button or buttons. For example, over here we are looking at 1000. So this is Mr. 1000 and we have Chotu Miss 10. Similarly, we have, I think over here, we have Chotu 100 and we have Mr. a lot of buttons. He's known as Creative Chitti, right? Okay. So with the help of them, we're going to learn something that is very useful. So let's start off with a thoughtful 1000. Mr. Thoughtful 1000. Let's look at it. The thoughtful 1000 only has 1000 button, something like this. Or to simulate Mr. Thoughtful 1000, we have this, right? We need to answer the following. How many times should it be pressed, that is the button, to show 3000? 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 times. Clicks is 3 times. So that's all they are trying to ask. Next question is 10,000. So we already had 3000 with 3 clicks. For 10,000, it is 10 times. Right? So this is 10 times. So now I would want you guys to pause and try to answer the following. 53,000. 53,000. How many times should I click the button so that Mr. 1000 or Mr. Thoughtful 1000 reaches or shows or displays the value of 53,000? How many times? Yes, 53 times. Does it make sense? If I keep doing that, you guys can try it. You guys an opportunity to do that on the website. So you can do that. Me pressing 53 times will waste both of our time. What about 90,000? If I keep doing this, you can imagine that. Oh yeah, 50. Okay, I reach 54 now. So 54 times. 90,000. Obviously, it will be 90 times. What about 1 lakh? Let's see. Oh, I can do it. It's not wasting that much of time. So we reached 90,000 now, 90 times. And this is 93, 94, 95,000, 96,000, 97,000, 98,000, 99,000, and yes, 1 lakh, 100 times. So if I happen to press it 153 times, what will be the number? 153. How many zeros though? Let me have a look. So we have, this is 100 times. So 53, imagine, what will this be? So this is 1, okay. This is 2, this is 3. If I keep doing that, so can you imagine now? It will be, yes, 3 zeros. So basically it will be 1,53,000. How many thousands are required to make 1 lakh? Okay, now we're looking at how many thousand are required to make 1 lakh. Did we answer that question? We actually did. Can you think of it? We just did that over here. Can you see that? 1 lakh 100 times. Right? We reached 1 lakh by pressing 1000 100 times. So let's go to TDS 10. The TDS 10 only has 10 button. Okay, that's good. How many times should it be pressed to show 500? Okay, let's go to TDS 10. So what do you guys think? How many times should we press TDS 10 to go to 500? So let's think about going to 100, how much time it will take? How many clicks will it take? 2, 3. So can you guys guess? Yes. 50 reaching 5 times means 100 will reach in, correct, 10 times. For 100 it's 10 times. For 500 it would be, correct, how many times? 50 times. That's a lot of click, but yeah, I'm able to do it. I thought it'd be too much, but it's happening. 50 clicks. Can you see that? 50 clicks. What about 780? 780, yeah. Guess, take a guess. Yes, it is 78 times. What about 1000? Or too far away? Yes, it would be 96. That is 960, 970, 980, 990, and 1000. 100 times. If 1000 took 100 times, how much will be 3700? Let's imagine 3700 to be, let's take it apart. It will make it much easier. This is your clue. 3700. Let's look at it this way. So I would want you guys to pause and have a look. Think about it. 3000 for 1000 it was 100 times. For 3000 it will be, correct, 300 times. For 780 it was 780, it was 78 times. So for 700 it will be, and you guys saw this, 70 times. So combined, what will be the answer? Correct, 370 times. So can you imagine 10,000? How much will that be? Okay, clicking this will be highly impractical. But I think you guys can imagine. Take a guess. There's a pattern. Observe the pattern. You guys in 7th grade. You have done all of this in 6th grade, the pattern observation. Look at the pattern. 550 times, 780, 78 times, 1100 times. So it would be 1000 times. That's a lot of times. 1 lakh. 1 lakh, the number is this. If you guys have seen that pattern, it will be, you guys know that it will be 10,000 times. Is it not? Right? If 1000 is 100 times, 10,000 will be 1000 times. 1 lakh will be 10,000 times. Can you see that as well? A lot of way that you can understand. So if I just press it 435 times, I'll end up with how much? 400 times if I press, I'll end up with, can you see? Yes, I'll end up with 4,350. Okay, all of this will help you guys gain different perspective. So it's important for you guys to try the calculators. Please make use of the calculators and gain the perspective. Do certain activities. Try different numbers. Ask someone to give you a certain number and try reaching that point. Okay? Yeah. Have a look.